How to add YouTube channel link to Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube channel link to Roblox. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have both accounts on YouTube and Roblox. Now once you have that, open your YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here at the top, you'll be able to see view channel option. Simply tap on it and now here tap on this more option. By doing so, you will be presented with your YouTube channel link. Press and hold until you find the pop-up at the bottom. Here now tap on this copy link. Once you have copied your link, now you will need to come back to the home page and here open your Roblox application on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to tap on the more or the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this menu. Here you will need to scroll to find the settings option. Once you find it, tap on it and now tap on the account info option at the very top. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Once it loads, here you will need to scroll down until you locate the YouTube box. Now in this field, you will need to paste the copied link from your YouTube channel. Tap on the box and tap on this paste option in order to paste it. Now after pasting the link, simply tap on the save option at the bottom at the right side. After that, you will see you have successfully added YouTube channel link to Roblox. Simply tap on this OK button and now refresh the page. So by following these steps, you should be able to add YouTube channel link to Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.